In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Temu live chat support. Whether you're facing a technical issue, have a question about your account, or simply need assistance navigating the platform, knowing how to reach out to support can save you a lot of time and frustration. So, let's get started. First, make sure that you are logged into your Temu account. Once you're in, take a look at your profile section. This is typically found at the top right corner of your screen. By hovering your cursor over your profile, a drop-down menu should appear. In this menu, you'll want to locate the support section. It might be labeled support or something similar, and it's your gateway to getting the help you need. Now, within the support section, you will see an option to chat with Temu. Go ahead and click on this option. This will initiate the process of setting up a chat with a support representative. Now, you might be wondering, why use live chat? Well, it's often the fastest way to get help. You can have a real-time conversation with a knowledgeable support agent who can quickly address your concerns or questions. After you click on Chat with Temu, you should see a message pop up on your screen. This is the chat window, and it will allow you to instantly start your conversation with support. It's important to note that the response time may vary depending on how busy the support team is, but someone should be with you shortly. As you begin to chat, it's helpful to be clear and concise about what assistance you need. This will help the support representative respond more effectively and efficiently. Make sure to have any relevant information ready, such as your account details or specifics about the issue you're encountering. This preparation can speed up the resolution process immensely. And a little tip: if for any reason the support rep needs more time to handle your issue, they might ask if it's okay to follow up via email. This isn't uncommon and is often used to ensure they have all the necessary information to help you properly. Remember, the purpose of this chat feature is to make sure you get the help you need as quickly as possible. It's designed to be a user-friendly and convenient solution when compared to sending emails or making phone calls, which can often take longer to process. By following these steps, reaching Temu live chat support can become a seamless experience, putting the assistance you need at your fingertips without unnecessary delays. So the next time you encounter an issue on Temu, you'll be prepared to address it confidently through a live chat. Thank you for watching today's tutorial, and I trust you found it helpful. Now you can go forward with confidence, knowing support is just a few clicks away.